Today I'll be voting against this agreement. It's a new agreement with the United States that allows information on all air passengers to be given to the United States government. Information which is often very personal, and it will be stored for 15 years. I don't believe that ordinary air passengers travelling to the United States should have this information on them collected and stored. If there's a reason to be suspicious, if there's a reason to suspect a serious crime has been committed or may be committed, then there is justification. But for innocent people travelling, I don't believe that there is, and I do believe that it undermines our rights. So I'll be voting no to this new agreement.